Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio and welcome to hole number 1, Ponderosa. The opening hole, a straightaway par 4 framed by tall pines, will give you a taste of the beauty, eloquence, and fairness of Chaparral Pines. Beware of the large, deep sand bunkers near this plateau green, which is also guarded by large pine trees left and right. I'm Dennis Riccio and welcome to hole number 1, Ponderosa. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 2, Game Trail, par 5. This hole, which features a split fairway from the tee, is reachable with 2 strong shots. It's all uphill. The green complex is framed by a nest of sand bunkers and large oak trees. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 2, Game Trail, par 5. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 3, Diamond Point, par 4. A spectacular short par 4 plays from elevated tees across a deep ravine to a fairway perched on a hillside. This hole is adorned by rock formations, a collection of picturesque bunkers, alligator junipers, oaks, pinyon pines, and magnificent views. Golfer's option: play a driver to the narrowest and deepest part of the fairway for an uphill pitch to the green in a saddle on top of the ridge. Or select a long iron or fairway wood for a safer tee shot and longer approach. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 3, Diamond Point, par 4. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 4, The Falls, par 3. A beautiful water-shrouded par 3 with 3 falls. Only the expert or stout of heart will shoot at the flag when it's situated at the far right. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 4, The Falls, par 3. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 5, par 4, Rocky Points. 2 distinctive points penetrate a large undulating fairway, majestically sweeping up a hill to the green. A long, tough, yet gorgeous hole with no bunkers to compete with its beauty. Have at it and enjoy. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 5, par 4, Rocky Points. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 6, par 3, Quarry. Graham and Panks created much of this hole by sculpting a large, deep quarry between tee and green to provide much needed borrow material for the 7th. The green is flanked by a hillock to the left with a lone pine, the quarry, and saving bunkers right and rear. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 6, par 3, quarry. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 7, Canyon Creek, par 5. One of the toughest and most beautiful par 5s in Arizona. From the tees, golfers play over a wild and rocky creek bed to the fairway. A most challenging 3-shot hole which demands respect. Most smart golfers will play it safe for a 5 or a 6. For the bold, the risks are high, but the reward can be very satisfying. This double dogleg twists and turns through pine-covered ridges, following the creek to a narrow green which is placed between an abrupt hillside and the creek. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 7, Canyon Creek, par 5. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 8, Canyon Carry, par 3. Simply put, this is a majestic hole with breathtaking views. Make sure to select enough club to clear the canyon. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 8, Canyon Carry, par 3. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 9, par 4, 2-putt. From the Graham tee, the fairway seems far away, but it's only 165 yards. A strong drive and accurate medium to long is required to reach in 2. Avoid the deep sand bunker, protecting the right front. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 9, par 4, 2-putt. Hole number 10, road hole, par 4. You could never know this fairway was once a paved roadway. It has been transformed into one of the most picturesque holes at Chaparral Pines. Drive from elevated tees surrounded by tall pines and granite boulders across Goat Camp Wash to a narrow landing area located some 250 yards from the back tees. Pick your 190-yard club and go for the green, but be careful of the Pine Island Lake located on your right. Par is a very good score here. Hole number 11, Sleepy Hollow, par 4. As the golfer looks from the tee, he or she sees a tree-lined fairway leading to an elevated landing area guarded by tall ponderosa pines left and right. Accuracy is the name of the game here. The scratch player may want to play a 1-iron or 3-wood to the landing area, setting up a 6 or 7-iron to the elevated green nestled between boulder outcroppings. You must keep your composure to score par or better here. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 12, Rim View, par 5. It's a bit of a trek back to the Graham tee, but well worth the effort. You will feel on top of the world as panoramic views display the scenic grandeur of rim country. Now turn towards the fairway for another splendid view of this reachable par 5. The first landing area is flanked by a massive ridge of rock on the right side and framed by tall pines on both sides. This dogleg follows the lay of a small canyon all the way to the green. Avoid a strategic tree in the second landing area and greenside bunkers near the green for a shot at eagle or birdie. I'm Dennis Riccio, and this is hole number 12, Rim View, par 5. Hole number 13, Tree Tops, par 4. As the golfer looks to the north towards the green, his or her gaze falls upon the tree tops just below the Mogollon Rim in the distance. Select a long iron or fairway wood for a shot at this large green nestled in a forest glen. A large grass green at the rear will save golfers from falling down a large slope into the canyon below. Favor the left side and par may be a reality. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 14, Elk Springs, par 5. The fairway follows the spring-fed creek lined by ponderosa pines along the way. Play from the elevated tee to the terrace fairway down below. Take to the high side for safety, or play left along the creek to a second fairway and green situated on a hollow next to the creek. Majestic mountain views, boulders, trees, water, and an occasional elk await. What more could you ask for except maybe a 4? Hole number 15, Tranquility, par 4. The tees on 15 are in a little cove leading to a lake at the forest edge which golfers must play over. Don't worry, it's only a 150-yard carry to a fairway from the very back, sloping down towards Goat Camp Wash. Be careful with your tee shot here because a fairway lie is a must for a chance to putt on the dance floor. The driver may not be the best choice. The green is located next to a small alluvial bench along the creek with boulders and forested hills around. To reach the green, you'll have to kick a field goal between a cluster of 100-foot tall pines and land on the putting surface. I'm Dennis Riccio, and this is the Chaparral Pines Golf Course in Payson, Arizona. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 16, Goat Camp, par 3. Make your way from the 15th green across a grand wooden bridge over Goat Camp Wash to the tee nestled in among broken necklace boulders. Looking out from the boulders, you will see a long S-shaped green framed by large, stately oak trees to the left and a low sandy ridge to the right. The left front of the green is perilously close to the deep and wildly beautiful Goat Camp Wash. This is a unique hole with little margin for error. Welcome to hole number 16, Goat Camp, par 3. Hole number 17, Cross Creeks, par 5. For big hitters, this is a layup off the tee. If laid up correctly, it presents an opportunity to get on the green in 2. However, to lay up, it is 250 to 260 yards and all carry. For the more reasonable hitters, lay up to about 110 yards and attack the green from here. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 18, the Cascades, par 4. What a view this hole provides of the North Rim. A controlled tee shot to the preferred landing area will allow golfers to play a medium iron over Goat Camp Wash and up to the home hole. A terrace green is located below the clubhouse on a steep hillside. Beware of deep bunkers fronting the green and don't be distracted by the Cascades to the right. A beautiful challenge for the finish. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 18, the Cascades, par 4.